Hello!
We are so glad to be here and share something we have learned about our Dray UNESCO Cultural Park. First, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nguyễn from my and this is my
We are Dray students from the Lower Secondary School, which is located in Downtown District, Đắk Province.
For me, the English speaking contest is not just a contest. It is a good chance for us to improve our English ability and widen our knowledge as well.
Moreover, we would like to show around the beauty of our hometown, our land and our people, so that everyone will know about it. Mike, can you share something about the UNESCO Global Park?
Of course. Global Park includes 44 different destinations in 5 districts and 1 city of Đắk Nông province. Its area is more than 4,700 square kilometers. The destinations are divided into 3 themes: Rhapsody of Fire and Water, Sound of the Earth, and Wind of Change and Shadow. As a part of poetic, majestic Mano Plateau, Đắk Nông UNESCO Cultural Park converges typical geological, archaeological, cultural value, and biodiversity characteristics of the Mano Plateau.
Last week, we paid a visit to a very well-known attraction in our hometown, Dray Waterfall, and it was the most exciting experience we have ever had. And do you know that this place is among the most awesome attractions of Đắk Nông Global Park? Mike, do you remember where it is?
Yes, Dray Waterfall is situated in the territory of Đắk Nông Communal Chrono District. To get to Dray from Buôn Ma Thuột City, you need to go to the west on the National Road number 14, cross the Serok Bridge into Kudus District and turn south. From the National Road, it's 5.5 kilometers to the entrance of the destination, and you can get there by bus, car, by motorbike.
Dray is an ideal place for smoky or misty waterfall. It was formed by basalt flows of the volcano, which erupted and covered sedimentary rocks. A famous legend associated with the fall is the love story of a girl named Hermie. A giant mist created a huge waterfront which washed Hermie away. A lover tried to save her, but he was unsuccessful. He then transformed into a tree with the root deep into the rocks, looking like a man with open hands. The water flows falling day and night, looked like Hermie tears, mourning for her love.
What a heart-touching love story it is.
Yes, the legend of the love story is more color to this impressive waterfall.
Alright, let's see what we did when we went there. We had to walk on a long and steep road to get there, and what we received was a majestic scenery in front of our eyes. It was very beautiful as in a fairy picture. The waterfall's height is about 10 meters. The falling water creates an amazing veil of mist, like a mirror of smoke.
In the area of the fall, there is a forest with a lot of big oak trees, a lake where children usually swim in. There are also places for barbecue lunches. Before leaving, you can visit a zoo with tiger, lion, bear, monkey, deer, ostriches. At the entrance of the attraction, the children would love that.
If you are seeking for a place to get away from the busy life, Dray would be an ideal choice. Once you go there, you will have a chance to indulge the natural wilderness, refresh your mind, and have great experience.
We hope that each of us will take more awareness of preserving, protecting, and promoting the beauty of our nature and our land, now and in the future. Goodbye.
Về Đắk Nông, rừng thông mênh mông bạt ngàn, thiền viện trúc lâm, đạo nguyên thiêng liêng huyền bí. Ta qua ta đông giấc ngủ nàng tiên, cùng thác len nung cao xanh điệp trùng.